pesos, we have Mr. Sosing Del Rosario. We have Mr. Robert Riva. A round of applause, please. So let's proceed to the winners of the dance competition. For third place, we will receive 3,000 pesos. We have the Intramuros Girls. We have the Magnificos who will receive a cash prize of 4,000 pesos from Barangay Mababang Baybay, Claveria, Masbate. And a representative from the group of Magnificos, we have Ma'am Melissa Montenegro. And for our first prize, we will receive 6,000 pesos na na-receive na po nila earlier kasi kailangan po nila umuwi ng maaga. So the winner is Dynamic Jammers from Barangay Pasig, Claveria, Masbate. Congratulations! And let's proceed to the winners of the Banquerong Disagwan. Happened earlier at lunchtime po ito, no? Diyan sa dagat po at ibang mga Border Poblacion District number 1 nagkoronahan silang pagsaragwan gamit ng silinan. Okay, for the third place winner who will receive 2,000 pesos. To receive the award, we have Mr. Emerson Bonita. Congratulations! Kinaya niya magsabi. And our second placer will receive 4,000 pesos to receive the award. We have Mr. J.R. Buensalida. Who will receive 6,000 pesos in cash? We have the representative, Mr. Wing Alburo. Congratulations po.